guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 1st, 2020. The second Sudoku I will solve is a 4 stars Sudoku. And this one will be a number 1953. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has again 25. There's several times there's that the 4-star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. Normally 24, and this time 25. Same as the previous Sudoku with 3 stars. So is this really a 4 stars or a 3 stars? Because a 4 stars, I really need 30 minutes to solve. A really hard one, yes. Okay, so let's get started. Let me scan this Sudoku first. So we can, I see here 4, 1. So let me start with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no ones in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. We have a 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the next digit? The number 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for a 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 4, the 6, and the 7. 4, 6, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 here in this row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. And look, we have again a 4. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 289, 289. First, the number 2, we see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. The 8 and the 9 goes here. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9. In this box, the 9 goes there. And 8 goes here. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only place for an 8 should be there. 9, 6, 4. Interesting. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the row above, the first row, only place for a 4 should be there. Then. How about the number? 6, 7, 3. Yeah. Yes, in this big square we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those three boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those two boxes in the first row and 8 in the second row. So in the row below, the only place for an 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. In the third row, one of the missing number in the third row is a number 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in those three boxes. One box left for the 2. Should be there. These 3 missing numbers are reserved for the numbers 1, the 9, and the 5. 195. 195. I cannot fill this yet. 195. That means the other two numbers in this big square, 195, are the numbers 195. The 6 is missing and the 3 are missing. We see here 6, so no 6 in this box. The 6 should be there. And the 3 goes here. 196. Oh no, sorry. 195. 195 goes here, yeah. 195 in the third row. Alright, so we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated one of the dots for the number 8. So one box left for the 8 should be there. One box left in the first row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Here we have also a pair. 3 and a 7 in this column. 3 and a 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. Here I cannot place a 3 because we have 3 here. Here I cannot place a 7 because we have a 7 here. The other 2 missing numbers in this column should be for the numbers 4 and 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6 are missing. Yeah. Let me mark those for you. 4 and a 6. That means one box left in this big square for the number 9. 6, 8. Alright. 1 in this column. 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for a 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 5, 5, 9, 5. Alright. 3 in this column. 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 6 is missing. Alright. 6, 8 and 4. Alright, 6, 8 and 4. And then now we have a 6 here. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers. Do you remember? 1, 5, and 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 here. 1 and a 5. So in this box cannot be a 1 or a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Then 1, 7, 1, 1, 7, and 4. 1, 7, and 4. Still cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about the number 2, 2, 2. These two numbers in this first column. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. Let me mark those for you, 2 and 8. Then 6, 6. How about 5, 5? 5, 9, 7. 3, 3. Yes, 3 in the last column. 3 in that column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5, 6, and 7 is missing in this column. 7 is left in this column. 2 boxes left, the 7 and the 1. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 5. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle, a row, so no row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so in the middle a row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 4. 8 and the 4 in this big square. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow, faster than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku, I need 21 minutes, and this one 13 minutes. 13, not 30 minutes. So I'm very surprised, and yeah, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new ones to my channel. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. See you in a minute with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary. Bye bye for now.